So hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So that's the question from theory of equation. Okay, so I will request you all to please do like and share the video, and if it's really helpful, the questions are helpful, and please then subscribe the channel also bacho. So that's the question. Okay, so we are here for theory of equation, the questions based on theory of equation. So that's the question you would have got for in your post today morning. So I'll be solving one question today, and of course the second one is for the next day. So the question is that we have to solve this equation. See, every type of that had been my approach throughout, that whatever chapter I'm picking up, I'm trying to cover as many type of questions and many concepts through with the help of the questions of that chapter, as many possible. Okay, as many possible. So now that's again a type of question here bacho. So the question is that we have to solve, which is 12x minus 1 into 6x minus 1, and then it is 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1, and in RHS we have 5, I suppose. Yeah, it's 5 there. Okay, now in general, whenever I look at such type of question, my approach is to combine the first and the last. Normally it helps. If there's a pattern among the numbers, it helps. So there's no such pattern as such, we can see directly. 12, 6, 4, 3. I can't find any such direct pattern here, but if there would have been a pattern, this certainly work. Okay, the pattern means if the coefficients of x in all the 4 factors are in AP particularly, that work perfectly. But then that's how I started in this question also, because I didn't find anything else. I didn't think about any new approach or anything else. So I just said, okay, let's combine these two. So this into 3x minus 1 and 6x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, which is equal to 5 here. Now, of course, we have to multiply. So we'll get 36x square plus 15x plus 1, and this gives us 24x square. It will be minus 15x, yes, that will be minus 15x, and 24x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 5 here. Now, the idea is if we can convert an equation, any polynomial equation, to a quadratic form, we are sure that we can definitely solve that equation. So that's the whole idea behind doing all these things. Normally what happens is, if we do it, if I follow these steps, normally these two terms match in both the factors. So if this would have been the case, I would have said, okay, let us assume this to be p. I'm repeating, we do it when these two terms exactly match. Normally it happens in such type of question. So p plus 1 into p plus 1, here's p plus 1, might be some other constant, p minus 2 something is equal to 5, and then you get a quadratic in p. But that's not the case here. Okay, so but then see, the another observation in this case is, if I take 3 common here, which is common, no? Minus 5x plus 1. So that's first factor. If I take 2 common here, now we have exactly same thing, bacho. We have 12x square minus 5x, same in both the cases. So I will say, okay, let 12x square minus 5x be p here. So now again, see, you got a quadratic in p. So second one is 2p plus 1 and 3p plus 1. So 2p plus 1, 3p plus 1 is equal to 5. So simplify it. So 6p square plus 5p minus 4 equal to 0. So 6, 4, 24, 8, 3, 24. So 6p square plus 8p minus 3p minus 4 equal to 0. So you have 2p into 3p plus 4 minus 1 into 3p plus 4 equal to 0. So therefore either p is equal to half or p is equal to minus 4 by 10. That's it. You got p. So now you have two direct simple quadratic equation. So it's 2 12x square minus 5x is equal to half. So 24x square minus 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 6, 4, 24, 12 to 24, 12 to will work, no? 12x, 24x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now you can solve it. Since we have to solve it, bacho, we don't have to say how many real or imaginary roots are there, so you can easily solve it. It's a simple quadratic. Likewise, we'll do it for the second one, so it's factorizable. So I'm leaving it now. Second one is for minus 4 by 3. In any case, see, even if it's not factorizable, then also we all know that we can solve it using TEJAS formula. No big deal. But still, chaliye, 36x square minus 15x, and then we have plus 4 equal to 0. So 36. So is it middle term split? Can we apply that? So 36 into 4 is how much? 144. 144. I don't think 18, 3, no, 18, 16, 9, no. Chaliye, we can check it, but in any case, if we can't apply middle term split, you can solve it using TEJAS formula. The whole idea behind sharing this question was this statement, okay, and followed by this statement, or here itself we can get, as I said, the same term here and here. Okay, if not, then we try to get something in this form. Okay, so that's the first question for the day, bachcho.